This video is interactive. This first video you will be shown a typical Glock malfunction in plenty of detail. At the end of this video, you will be presented with 3 options to correct the malfunction. There is only one right answer. Pick the one you think is correct. You will find out at the end of the video if you selected the right one. As the slide moves backward, the barrel is directed downward by the crossbar in the locking block, separating it from the slide and unlocking it. As the slide continues rearward, a ramped recess in the slide pushes the tang on the connector out of engagement with the trigger bar, allowing the trigger bar to raise up slightly. The top round in the magazine is pushed up by the magazine spring as the lower part of the breech face moves past it. As the recoil spring pushes the slide forward, the lower part of the breech face contacts and pushes the top round in the magazine out of the magazine up the feed ramp and into the chamber. As the slide continues forward, the tang on the firing pin comes into contact with the trigger bar, pushing it forward and up. The recess in the slide allows the connector to reset. In the final part of forward travel, the barrel is pushed forward and up into its locked position in the slide. The trigger safety is depressed, allowing the trigger to rotate around its axis pin. The trigger bar moves back, disengaging the firing pin safety. The trigger bar continues back and down as it contacts the connector, eventually moving out of contact with the firing pin. The firing pin is pushed forward under pressure from the firing pin spring. The firing sequence is initiated and the bullet leaves the barrel. Recoil energy from the fired round forces the slide backward. The barrel is cammed down and stops. The slide moves fully rearward and moves forward under pressure from the recoil spring, pushing the next round in the magazine up the feed ramp and into the empty case in the chamber. A malfunction occurs. Which part should be changed to correct the malfunction? Select from one of the following videos to see if you are right.